Building a diorama is an easy and fun project. You can create a scene in a small space to show anything that you are interested in. Today, I'm going to create a nature scene that I've experienced this winter. It is a scene where I am cross-country skiing in a snowy forest. You will need a recycled box, some construction paper, a pencil, scissors, and some glue. Place the recycled box. Dioramas have layers of background, so they should be made in a box or a frame that is several inches deep. It must also be open-faced so that the viewers can see it well. Think of how your diorama will look like. A diorama is basically a small scene created by layers of materials. Think of the composition of the piece and roughly sketch the layout of all the pieces. First, make the background. Then, cut out the pieces from the construction paper with scissors. Now, lay everything out and glue it down. Begin at the back of the box and work forward, adding layers of details and images to create depth in your scene. Fold the ends of the pieces of paper and glue them to the top, bottom, and sides of the inside of the box. I'm going to add myself in the middle. This is a figure of me skiing, made from recycled popsicle sticks and toothpicks. Great! Do you want to try it with me? It'll be fun. I hope you enjoy it. See you in the next video. Bye!